No, don't do it. Don't turn them into the cutest thing ever.
We have to track down Mud before we're stuck as old people forever.
Huh?
What?
What?
Say again?
What?
What?
Say again?
Huh?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
You're gonna have to speak up.
I am having trouble hearing!
This is so precious.
Titans! Ah! We have to get our youth back!
Yes, my face is doing the sagging.
No. You don't want to be young again.
That's easy for you to say, hot stuff. You're still young and beautiful.
Okay, dial it back, Grandpa. Being old is great. Just look at Robin's gray streaks.
I do look distinguished.
Cyborg, check your wallet out.
All these pictures of my grandbabies.
One of the perks of getting older.
Where did the grandbabies come from?
Nobody knows. And the best part is, with age comes wisdom.
Wisdom.
Maybe we should give being old a try.
That's the spirit. Now everyone gather round. Oh, I love you, my little prunes. Mwah. 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 This is a dream come true.